What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion, Quality Custom Designs, and yes, I am back with another video. And in today's video, we will be doing another patch, and this patch will be Gumby. Let's see if I can give you guys a close-up of that. Just a little bit. You can see it. We will be doing Gumby. That's the patch that we will be doing today. And as always, if you're new here, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you. And without further ado, let's jump into it. Probably can't see it that much just because it is a darker green. But once it starts filling in, you'll be able to see how everything's coming out. One thing I can and will say about Gumby is that I did not grow up on Gumby. I'm not gonna lie, because Gumby, let me see, Gumby came out in the what, the 50s? I think 50s and the 60s. I really didn't grow up on it. Now I did watch it, but I didn't grow up on it. And I know he used to have that the little friend, Pokey, if I'm not mistaken. I think his friend was called Pokey, the orange horse. So like I said, I remember a little bit of it, but I didn't grow up on it. I mean, of course, no offense to nobody older, but I didn't grow up on it. But I just knew it was an alright show, and of course, I mean, it was other shows on that we was watching. I mean, I'm a '90s baby, so I mean, you got so many shows. This design is so large or long that it's actually moving, of course, as you can see it, all the way to the back. So weird. I think I did another design that was about this size or maybe just a little bit bigger, which was the Mario. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be right here on the screen in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that and watch the Mario video. So right now I am doing the black border. Originally when I did this patch, which was a while ago, but I never recorded it, just did a stitch out on it. The border was the same color as the whole body. I just wanted it to be the same, but since I am doing patches, I am going to change the color to black so it can just blend in with all the other patches and the border. Coming out clean, coming out good so far, almost done. If you guys still here watching, do me a huge favor and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'd be greatly appreciated. Let's get it. Alright, we are all done with everything. So what I am going to do, as always, show you guys the final result, take it out the hoop, and stay tuned to the channel. Let's get it. Alright everyone, so here is the final result. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comment section below. How does it look? Did it come out great? Yes, no, maybe so. Go ahead and put everything down in the comment section below. I think it came out nice. He came out nice. Like I was trying to say earlier in the video, I didn't grow up on Gumby just because it came out way before I was born. Like I said, I was born in the 90s, of course. So, but I did watch it. It's not like I grew up on it, but I did watch it. And it was an okay cartoon. So, but for the most part, this is a nice stitch out, nice patch. And yeah, as always, this your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. As always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.